Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to use the Microsoft Edge website as an app feature. So this is kind of similar to using, favorites in Edge, but you could do a little bit more than just what you can with the simple favorites. So let's say you're on a website here. So we got this onlinecomputertips.com website. So we want to save this as an app. So to do so, you go up to your ellipsis, three dots here, go to apps, and then you want to install this site as an app, and then you could give it a name. We'll just take off the home there. And then if you have a different icon file you want to use besides the default one that's used with the site, you could click on Edit. And then once you click on Install, now it's going to ask for some permissions here. So pin to taskbar, pin to start. Let's just do create desktop shortcut as well. And then if you wanted to auto start when you logged in, you could have it just open up that website right away. So we're going to click on Allow. So now if we minimize here, close this one out, we have a desktop shortcut. We have a taskbar shortcut, so it pinned it to the taskbar. And then you could right click and unpin if you want. And then also when you close it, it'll still be there. And then we also have one on our start menu. So if you go down to the bottom there, and then of course you could move it up to the top if you want. It's going to be a little tricky with it, I suppose. Like that. And then of course you could just open it right from there. And then it opens it in a different type of window, so it's still using Edge, but it's kind of like it doesn't have the address bar, so it's kind of like trying to make it as though it was an app. And then you could have it set the app permissions here if you wanted to be able to access, camera and so on, that kind of thing. You got your privacy settings, open in Edge, print, share, find on page, typical Edge type of things. So if you want to edit your website apps, just open up Edge again. Then you could go to Apps and then Manage Apps. And then you'll have all of them listed there. You could sort by recently used, or name or install date, view as a list, view as a grid, that kind of thing. You could check out the details if you want. Or you get the same options here. It tells you about the page, which is actually taken from the website. Permissions, you could clear cookies from that app. You could uninstall that app. You could open it right from there. Create the desktop shortcut, similar icons. So it's kind of cool. So if you decide you don't want to use it, you could come back here, go to the details, scroll down, uninstall. Then if you want to clear the data from Edge too, you could do that. Just click on Remove. So now it removed all of our shortcuts from the 3 locations we put it there, and you're back to normal. So think of it as, just a way to make a website shortcut, which you could do, other methods too, but it's kind of like a quick way to do it. And it keeps the icon rather than having an Edge icon. So, let's say you made a shortcut to a website from Edge, it might have the Microsoft Edge icon rather than the website, thumbnail. So that's kind of a cool part of it as well. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. So give it a shot and see if you like it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.